Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another session of Python. I'm sharing my screen. Let us start once somebody joins. So double click school Python. Thank you guys. We are waiting for some of the people to join. Okay, somebody joined. Thank you for joining. So now here we are learning Python. Okay. So we are waiting for few of the people to join. Let us wait for some more time. Thank you for watching. May I know from where you are watching? Please type where you are from where you are watching. If you are willing to share, please share from where you are watching. Okay, some of the interaction we shall have. So, are you new to Python or do you know anything about Python? Okay, so somebody are typing. Okay, okay. Hello. So I'm from Hyderabad. Thank you. Like we are having a good count. Okay. Thank you guys. I am from USA. Thank you. So like from the past week we have started learning online. Okay. So this is the W3 Schools Python. So I'm sharing this in the comment section. Okay. It is like self-learning. We can ourselves go and learn from here. So there is no need of writing any notes or anything. There is no need of following any PDF because everything is available here. Okay, so let us start the session. Yeah, we are having the good count. Yeah, 10 people are watching. Thank you, guys. So from the last session, from the past week, we have came to know across variables, data types, numbers, what is typecasting, what is class, what is method, what are the data types, and what is the list, what is the set, what is dictionary, how to access data from the dictionary, how to insert the data into the dictionary. Mm, the same concept for the list and set, and writing a method in Python, how to access that method in the another file. So what are private, protected, public variables, and what is the input, what is the output, and commenting the lines. Single comment is there, multi-line comments is there, and conditional statements is there, like if else is there, and there are while loops are there for the iteration, and some of the arrays are there. So range is there. We have learned about mathematical module, math module, and one more is Python JSON is there. So converting some text into the JSON, and after that applying some of the indentation that we have tried. Regular expression also we have tried. So what is a PIP? PIP is a package package installation for Python. That is also we have completed. String formatting we have completed. Try and expect except we have completed. User input also we have completed. There is one of the none is there, that is also one of the data type. Okay, so next is we have started with the Python. Oops, this also we have I'm expecting we have completed all the things. Yeah, here this also we have completed. Okay, what is the init and what is the self parameter, and these things. What is the object initialization? How can we create the object explicitly by using the new keyword and without new keyword? This also we have seen here. Okay, so any questions or there means I will answer any of the questions. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this session. I hope you will enjoy this session. At least the takeaway from this session will be something on coding at least. Okay, if you are a beginner, you will learn something. If you are an expert, you will guide me how to, if I'm doing any wrong, any suggestions, you will be guiding me. Okay, moreover it is like some of the learnings only. Okay, guys, so up to here it is. So we are going for the self parameter is completed, class properties also completed. Just we will iterate once again. Okay, so properties are like, suppose here this person object, uh, it has it is taking two parameters, one is name and one is age. So that we are supplying it here while creating the object. Okay, and after that we are accessing with the help of p1.name. So this is object initialization, and uh, we are calling the object. Okay, this parameters are initialization parameters, these are, and class methods. So class methods is, it is similar to a package only. Okay, so we have written custom method, that is this one, class person and class grid. So what is happening here is person email. Okay, email, my name is email, here it will come. So in the runtime what will happen is, in this person object p1, it will store the p1 is a variable. Okay, it will store the output of this person. So what is the output of this person? This one, person email. Okay, person email. Yeah, let us try it by running. Okay, so I'm also not sure how it is working. Self dot name. Okay, yeah, here p1 will have email, email. Okay, that will have here, and after that this object is referring passing to here, and from here we are calling p1 dot greet. So p1 dot self name. Okay, so this is carrying here, and here this here also the variable will be available. Okay, that's why it will print hello, my name is EMIL. Okay, so I'm going and I'm creating new file, class example dot py. File got created. I brought the copy of the code. Okay, so I will write it here in the comments so that you will explain. This is a class name. Okay, name is person. Come here. This is initialization. Okay, here we are assigning the variable, assigning the value. This is another function. Here we are printing. We are printing. Okay. So what is this? This is nothing like here. This plain text we have converted into the coding in the form of Python. That's it. So programming is nothing but converting some plain English to the machine understandable language. So that is Python here we are doing. Okay. Here we are creating the object, creating the object, passing parameter, required one. Okay. How many are required? We are passed that many. And here we are calling. Okay. Calling greet method. Okay. So let us execute this one. Okay. So for execution, Python space class example. Okay, Python is case sensitive, so we have to type as it is. If it is small letters, we have to type small letters. If it is capitals, we have to type capitals. Okay, hello, my name is email, it is there. Okay, so I think you have understand few of the things at least. Okay, so what will happen up to here? Okay, print name. Let us execute and see what will happen, because here we have commented this line. Okay, thank you guys. 8 people are watching. Please subscribe the channel, guys. Self printing, some issue happened. Okay, I don't know whether it is allowed or not, but I'm trying. Self is not defined, it is telling. Control Z. Okay, in the runtime it is this printing here, but usually it should come right. Self dot name. If we are printing that one, why it is not coming? Print self dot name. Okay, it printed. Okay, so there was a space was the mistake. That is the reason. Okay. So any questions up to here? Okay, no questions. So this is the classes and this is the methods. And here, so definition start with function. If it is a class, we'll write with class. This is the difference between these two. So inheritance, Python inheritance. Next concept is inheritance also allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Parent class is being inherited from so-called base class. Child class is the class inherits from another class and called derived class. Okay, so here we are having one of the example. Uh, Create a parent class. Any class can be parent class. So the syntax is the same as creating any other classes. So here we are having some of the code. So a class named person with first name and last name and the properties and a print name method. Okay. So first name, last name. These are the two properties of a class. Here this is the method. Print name is a method. This is a Python given method. This is a custom method. Okay. So what we are doing, we are printing these two things. So use the person class to create object, then execute the print name. Okay. This is already similar to above one. Okay. Let us take this one. Inheritance example dot py. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel guys. Python inheritance inherit dot py. Jodo. Okay. This was passed and this got printed. Okay. Y equals to person. Okay. It is expecting two parameters. Any uh, last name, first name. Okay. Here it is giving the intelligence. Okay. First name is let us take mobile. Last name is phone. Okay. So here we'll write y dot print name. So here two objects are there. Okay. So two are different. We printed these two. Okay. So here the simple concept is this is the parent class is there and here the method is there. And we'll go to the next. Here they are creating the child class. Okay. The child class student. I'm creating it here. Class student of person. Okay. So semicolon is mandatory. Double quotes is mandatory. And after that, pass. If we are not writing anything, it will give some error. That's the reason we are writing pass. Okay. So some red color is here. View problem. Now it got solved. Close this. Yeah, guys. So we are learning inheritance in Python. We have done pass. Pass in the sense it will do not want to add any other properties or methods to the class. This is required. Pass is required. Use the pass keyword when you do not want to add any other properties or methods to the class. If you want to keep it as a class empty, you can put it as pass. Type the pass. That's it. Use the student object to print the name. Okay. So this is the one. Like so now we are uh, removing that to pass. Why? Because we are having some of the code. Okay. Let us run. Student mic. Okay. What is happening? Student. Yeah. Here small and capital. That is the issue. Okay. Here like whenever it is getting some issue, it is not found, not defined. We will come to know. Okay. So still it is there. Student is not defined. Okay. Student is not defined. Okay, guys. Let us see. Student object and then execute the method. Why this is not working? Okay. Again, same issue, guys. Space is the issue again. Okay. Now it is fine. Mike and Olsen is there. Okay. As we have written some of the code, we are removing that pass. Let us see. Will it work or no? Line number 18. Indentation expected. Yes, something is easier, guys. I think pass is required because we are not writing anything. Yeah, pass is required. Let us write pass. Okay, here it is working. So, what is the example of inheritance? Okay, student. Yeah, we are passing the object person, which will inherit the properties and the methods of the person class. Create class named student, which inherits the properties from the person class. Okay. Yeah, the concept here is for the class student, it is a child class. What we are passing? We are passing the parent, this one, parent object. So child parent relationship is here. Okay. So here we are typing the student, but student internally it is calling person, and that person is expecting two parameters, John and Doe. Okay. Okay. It is like here, like external people will look like okay. Suppose like if I'm writing here, okay, if I want to uh, call y equals to student. Okay. So here how the intelligence came? First name and last name, because it is coming from the parent person. We are passing this object, right? That's why whatever the qualities are having here for this person, these all also coming here. F name and last name. Okay. Like this, we have to cross check. Go to here z equals to person. Do the same. Okay. So here also it is expecting what? First name and last name. Okay. So this is the concept of inheritance. Okay, guys. In the next class, we will see about polymorphism. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Any questions? I will be addressing. Please subscribe my channel, guys. As of now, I am having 125 subscribers. So, yeah. Please subscribe my channel, guys. 3 people are watching. 4 people are watching. At least subscribe my channel, guys. You can turn off notifications on everything, but just subscribe my channel. Yeah, I see some subscribers count is increased. Thank you, guys. Subscribe my channel, guys. Still two more, guys. Two more subscribers, please. Subscribers live count. It is 128 subscribers, guys. Thank you, guys. So YouTube channel has 128 subscribers. At least do two subscribers, guys. 130. Let us make at least. So in the future videos, I will display this one in my channel. 128 lives, 128 live count. How which API is interacting? How we are getting data? How we are displaying? Okay. So we will do this one in the upcoming sessions. Still two more subscribers, guys, please. Two subscribers, please. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next session. Bye.